What are the different types of hurricane events and their effects?
Hurricanes are categorized from 1 to 5 based on their wind speed. Category 1 is the least dangerous with winds from 74 to 95 miles per hour that can cause some damage, while Category 5 has winds of 157 miles per hour or higher and can cause catastrophic damage.
Ooh, it sure is windy!
Oh no, it's a... Download the Hello Wonder app today for more fun lessons on the go.